ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేనైతే ఇవాళ అనగా గార్డెన్స్లోకి వచ్చి కంప్యూటర్ నేర్చుకున్నాను. నేను ఇవాళ ఒక పీపీటీ చేశాను, అది మీ అందరికీ చూపిస్తాను. Bhavani Shankar is my name. My family: Varalakshmi is my mother, Ramchandra is my father, Pavitra is my sister, Rajulamma is my grandmother, Pedakanya is my grandfather. My school: my name is Bhavani Shankar, my village name is Pottidorapalem, my school name is ZP High School Mudutti. I am studying in 10th class. My friends are Uday, Ganesh, Naga Chaitanya, Mahindra, Tarun, Anand, Jashwant, Naveen, Sadvik, Harish. My favorites: cricket, kabaddi are my favorite games. Chicken, potato curries are my favorite foods. Banana, mango are my favorite fruits. I love computer work. Completed. Thank you. నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన అందరికీ థ్యాంక్స్.